Hey everyone, I have already made videos on Coursera, Chegg, Studygate, Studypool and many other online earning websites, and many of my subscribers have started earning money online from these websites. Today I am going to talk about one more such online earning platform, which is Hello Experts. You can apply to Hello Experts even if you're undergraduate. You can do this work using your mobile. To know more about Hello Experts, keep watching this video with me. My name is Trilekha. I make videos on English lessons, personality development, work from home ideas, parenting and lot more, and you're watching my channel Lot to Learn. Before I tell you more about Hello Experts, if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Make sure you press the bell icon where all is written, otherwise you're not going to get notifications for all of my videos. Now for those who do not know what is Q&A expert, I am going to brief you quickly about what is this Q&A expert job. There are a number of online earning platforms where you can just start answering questions posted by students based on your subject expertise and start earning money online. Hello Experts is also one such website. The best part of applying to Hello Experts is you don't have to give any subject test or you don't have to appear for any guideline test here. The answers are acceptable in handwritten form as well as in you can type the answers or you can scan it. So to know more about their answering guidelines, you have to explore their website a little bit. I will walk you through the website later in this video. Once you sign up and complete your application process, you can start answering questions, but you will be under probation period. To clear this probation period, you will have to answer 5 questions of your choice based on your subject. To answer these 5 questions, you will lock one question at a time. So unless you solve the first question, you can't go to the other question, and you will get 4 hours for one question. After solving all these 5 questions, these answers would be reviewed by quality team. If they approve your answers, that means you're good to go. You can start earning online, you can start answering questions. If they reject all the 5 answers, then your account would be restricted for 10 days, and during this period you cannot answer questions. Now coming to your earning part, earnings may vary from $0.49 to $10 based on your subject, the level of difficulty of the question. So your earnings would depend on the time you spend and the number of questions you solve here. They pay weekly if you reach minimum threshold. They pay through PayPal or wire transfer. If you do not have any PayPal account, I would suggest you to create one. Even I have one PayPal account. If you don't know how to create PayPal account, you can watch this. Now let me quickly walk you through the website and the registration process of Hello Experts. So go to Google and type Hello Experts. I'm going to leave a link in the description. If you want, you can go from there also. You will be directed to their website like this. This is their website. As you can see here, sign in and register. So you are registering here for the first time, so you will click on register. But before that, let me show you a little bit. Let me scroll down. Here you can see expert FAQ and then expert bonus policy and other details. So if you want, you can go through this, you can explore it more. Now click on register. Give your email ID, whatever email ID you use. And then password. It is suggesting me some password, so I am using that only. Join as expert. This is 6-step process. In the first step, you have to fill your basic information, which is your name and your country, your personal detail. Profile picture is must. You have to upload profile picture, so make sure you upload a good professional profile picture. After giving your basic details, you will move to the second step, which is education and experience. So let me do it first, then I'll be able to move to the second step. So I'm going to upload my profile picture. I'm just doing it to show you. You make sure that you upload any professional one, okay? Once you upload your profile picture, save and continue. Now second, you will have to fill your education and experience. So whatever degree you have, just select that degree. Then university. Then your year of enrollment. Year of graduation. You can add more education. If you have more qualifications, you can add from here by clicking on this add education. Now professional details. If you have any experience, if you're working somewhere, if you're teaching somewhere, then you can put your experience here. And then certification details. Whatever certificate you have, that you can mention here, and then save and continue. If you do not have any certification, if you do not have any experience, then you can directly come to the next step, which is adding skills. Now they have two groups. First one is for the subjects like business, humanities, history, social science, and the other one is for engineering, computer science and science students. So you can choose your subjects accordingly. This is the list of subject which is given here. There are many subjects. For group 1, you can see from here, you can choose only one group, okay? So after choosing your group, let me choose mine. Say I choose science and mathematics. Now save and continue. In the fourth step, you will have to give your documents. So whatever ID you are giving, it can be Aadhaar card, it can be PAN card, it can be passport. You have to upload a picture with ID holding in your hand, okay? So first take a picture with ID in which you are holding that ID, and then attach that picture here. In the second step, in skill verification, you will have to give your, if you are a student, then student ID. If you have already completed your graduation or masters, then degree or experience certificate. These are the documents mentioned, so you can upload any of these. Now after attaching these documents, you will go to save and continue. I just want to show it to you. In the next step, you will have to fill about yourself, and while filling this about yourself, please make sure that you write more about your teaching experience, or if you have any, or about your academics if you have achieved something. So just highlight those points. So these are the steps that you need to do, and you will be good to go. Then you can start answering those questions which you will have to solve in probation period. Make sure you answer questions in a detailed way, in a neat and clean way, so that the answers do not get rejected. That's it for today. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. If you like this video, do let me know through your comments. Thank you so much for watching me.